My name is Matt Weil. I'm a park maintenance worker 1 with the Roads and Trails crew in the Santa Cruz district. And we are doing emergency repairs to Seacliff State Beach, trying to stabilize the storm damage.
My name is Samantha Prieto and I'm at Seacliff State Beach right now, and I work for Santa Cruz Trail District, and right now we're doing rock work. We're trying to clog it so that when the next big storm comes, it doesn't erode the road anymore.
I'm Paul Carrs, interpretive aide with California State Parks. Behind me, you're looking at the devastation that was caused by the storm surge that occurred on January 5th on about 7:30 in the morning. It took out most of the pier connecting the SS Palo Alto to the shoreline here. We're inside the RV parking area. Normally this time of year there'd be RVs lined up here camping. Right now you'll notice that the seawall along here is gone. The power of the waves was so powerful that it undercut the parking lot here and took out the sidewalk along the ways here as well as the parking lot. The surge was high enough, almost 25 feet, that came all the way up to the cliff here. And what you're seeing along here are logs that came down SoCal Creek and also part of the pier. And this refuge came and actually broke in the bathroom doors here, broke them down, and took out the concrete and the asphalt here. Right now we have crews from all over California on site here that are with tractors. They're bringing rock in to fill in the sinkholes in order to prepare us for the next storm.
My name is Jessica Francisco, and we are working here with California State Parks. We're working with the trail crew to do some storm cleanup after the recent hard rains that we had. We're going to hopefully be able to stop some of the coast from eroding even more after the hard rains come. As you can see behind me, we got some more waves coming in, and we're dumping a lot of rocks in there to try to fill the holes that have already been created and try to slow down the process so that we can get the parks back open sooner. I love the parks. Being out in nature and enjoying being here, the company, like-minded people, it's all really great, really awesome. It's a great place to be.
Chris Sporer, District Superintendent for California State Parks. And what you're seeing behind me is the revetment work that we're doing as an emergency to try and protect the broken seawall here at Seacliff. We lost significant amounts of it in the last big swell high tide combination, and we have another similar combination heading our way tomorrow morning. So we are protecting the broken seawall the best we can with the heavy rock here.